I am just going to jump right in. This is the Amaran 200XS and it just arrived, and I have been using the 200X, which the difference is not that big, but I do prefer this light. And if you're someone who has or who is setting up a home studio, I highly recommend this light. Or if you're a content creator and you want to improve your lighting, which in my opinion is the most important thing, I think you should save up some money and you should invest in this light. So let's jump right in. So this beautiful light does come with a cap that I am going to take off, and it does have a release latch that I'm going to pull down as well in order to be able to insert my reflector. So in some cases you may have like a softbox or a different type of reflector. Whatever the case may be, I am going to link the one that I do recommend in the description. I'm going to go ahead and insert the reflector that came in the box. So most people don't use the reflector to shoot, depending on what exactly you're shooting. But if you're just creating just regular content, maybe for your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be, then you want to invest in some type of softbox. So let's see, it also came with, of course, it also came with its power adapter and a power cable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unravel this and go ahead and connect it to the power cable, and go ahead and connect the power cable to the power adapter and then plug it in. So let's talk about some other parts of this beautiful light right here. So we do have the knob for tightening and releasing the stand that you'll be working with. In some cases you can use a C stand, which is what I do recommend, or just have a heavy duty stand that you can work with. This is where you want to insert the stand so that you can latch it on to the light. And of course we also have the locking handle, which lets you position your light however way you want. One thing I really do like about this light is the different color temperatures. So we're going to go ahead and just test it out so you can see. It's already plugged in already to the wall. I'm going to turn on the switch located in the back, and let's check out the different temperatures that we have. Of course, there are two knobs in the back that lets you control the temperature, and it also lets you control the intensity of the light. Let me know what you guys think. This light, I definitely recommend it for content creators, for business owners who have like an at-home office or content studio in your home, and you're looking to up-level your lighting game, which is one thing I highly recommend when you're looking to improve the quality of your content. Your lighting has to be right. I think this is a great investment. It cost me around $285, and it's something I highly recommend. Some people may say it's expensive. Some people may say they want something lower budget, but I always tell people you get what you pay for. So if it's something you have to save up some money for, I highly recommend it because it is worth the investment. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you have this light already. What lights are you currently using? Let me know in the comments.